Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So, real quick video. I just thought I'd show you what's coming up next on the bench. So we have the Monogram Mustang GTP 1/24 scale. This guy right here. I've had this kit for quite a while. It's been sitting in the shelf. This was sitting next to my the ISMA Mustang, and it was one of those, like I said, I really wanted to turn out nice, so I wanted to take my time on the ISMA Mustang. Because that kit's a little harder to find. This one's a little easier to come by. So I think it'd look cool. Like I say in a previous video, we got some upcoming shows coming up. It'd be really neat to set this next to the other one and set them there as a pair. I think that'd be really cool. So that's my plan. I'd like to do that. I don't know if it's going to happen, because there's other things I'm doing on top of this. I got a few other builds, but you know, I always got to throw another couple of them in the mix and see where we can go with it. But I think this is a super cool looking car. I just think it's very sharp looking, so I think it'd be a nice quick build. There's not a lot of pieces to it, but it's just, now I bought this new, so I unwrapped it a long time ago, kind of before I knew like the ins and outs, which you should do a model once you open it. No, I didn't know those things. I didn't know you should bag it and tag it and all this stuff. I just, hey, we just throw it back in a box. Yeah. So lessons learned by me. So the decals, they're still in really nice shape, but I can tell they're starting to yellow just a little bit on the back. So it's time that this kit gets built, because the front of them still look really nice. The body's in really good shape. It has very minor twist to it. I mean, it's very minor. So we're gonna just leave it okay at that. And like I say, the rest of it's just hanging out in a bag in a box of just stuff here. So. Like I say, I should have bagged it. Mistake by me, absolutely. But like I say, anything I do from, you know, nowadays, you know, especially after watching a lot of your guys' videos, I mean, that's a cool thing about this community. We all learn from each other. And simple things like that, things I wouldn't have thought of, like, hey, you should put those tires in a bag, or put the glass in a bag because it's not going to scratch, or the tire's not going to burn through it. Oh, that's a good idea. I mean, simple, logical things, and just sometimes I don't think of that stuff. But thankfully, I got no problems with this stuff. The window has just a slight mark in it, but it's not that bad. I think it'll be polishable, and all that fun stuff. So like I say, it's just from here, it's just white styrene, so we can get it going, get it put together. And like I say, I think it looked pretty cool sitting next to that that other Mustang for this upcoming show. So I hope I can get it done, and I don't want to try to rush it too much. So probably tomorrow, we're going to try to throw some paint down on it. And like I say, I got a couple other projects I'm working on, so we're just going to fit it in between coats and all that good stuff. So other than that, guys, like I say, just a real quick bench update, if you will, just to let you know where we're going, what's we going to do next. So I might make a little mini series out of this, just to see how it turns out. So this will be video number 1. We won't stretch it out too long, but just enough to make it happen, I guess, and go that route. So it's a cool looking car. I've been wanting to build it for a while, so I figured now's the time. So okay, guys, like I say, short, sweet, and simple. Happy Sunday to everybody. It's probably Monday when this posts, all that fun stuff. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, checking out the channel, and you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.